I'm holding a Gerber Steady Multi-Tool, model number 30-000419. This multi-tool was designed for outdoorsmen in mind who likes to take pictures. As first you can see, this comes with a nylon sheath with a Velcro strap on it, and this tool actually opens with a butterfly action. It's got plier heads on it, some wire cutters in the jaw of the head, and it folds up in this sort of curved butterfly opening action. The tools on the multi-tool include a partially serrated knife blade, a sheep's foot fine edge blade. Down in here we have a Phillips screwdriver, and on the other side we have a few more tools: a flathead screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver, or this could also be considered an owl, AWL, which is actually something you would use for getting knots out of shoelaces, or you know, if you're at the boat dock and you got a knot tied in your rope, you might dig in this. It's for digging and stuff, but when you don't necessarily want to cut it, dig in it without cutting it. Let's see here. And also, what the tool is famous for, and last but not least, of course, is its ability to hold your camera steady. Hand me that pouch right over there. Inside the pouch comes with a suction cup, and on the tool itself it has a camera mounting screw. If you have a camera with you out in nature, you can actually spread out the wings on the multi-tool and attach your camera and set it down and put the timer on and take a picture, you know, while the camera is steady. That's why they call it steady, of course. If you're just taking a picture with your cell phone, it comes with this cool little suction cup that you can attach to your cell phone, and you can screw the cell phone and suction cup into the camera mount, and then put your cell phone on a timer and actually get a good steady picture with your cell phone. So this is a really neat tool. It's different than a lot of multi-tools you find out there on the market. It's not just your everyday multi-tool. A little bit more specialized. This is the Gerber Steady model 30-000419.